What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are over at Chad's. He is over there sanding, but we're going to be finally cutting off the old fuel tank straps on the 79, and then we'll hopefully be installing the new one right away. The new straps are over there and also the fuel tank, but on the new one I have to put the sending unit and everything in it, so we got to disconnect this one, cut the straps, lower it down, and then I'm going to probably just use this filler neck again, try and clean it up, and then we'll just reinstall everything. So stay tuned, guys. I'm probably just going to do a time lapse of everything, so it's just fast forwarding with some music and stuff, so hope you enjoy.
Ryan Little.
Okay, guys, so I got the straps cut. Had to remove the bolts out of the back of the bracket. This bracket here on front and back. So we should be able to lower this thing down. I'm just gonna put a little pressure to it. Oh yeah, we're free. So I'm gonna stop there, get the lines disconnected here that you guys can't see, and then I'll bring you guys back once we have the tank fully out and you guys can see how nasty it is. Update for you guys, the tank is out. We're gonna do something a little bit different. So the 9/16, basically there's a nut on here and it went in the back and screwed into this. Well, the new ones, they don't have the nut. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna run to town real quick. We're gonna come back, put it on there like that, tack weld it, and then the nut will come on the back of the frame. So I have to run to town and grab 9/16 bolt and nuts to put the new tank on there, and then we should be able, or should be good to go. And then the new straps don't have any rubber in between the bracket and the tank, so we have some double-sided like foam over there we're gonna stick on here, so should work out pretty good. So I'm gonna run to town real quick and then I will be back shortly, and then hopefully we can get this thing tossed together. Alright, well, I'm back from town. I'm gonna go ahead and get the sending unit put in the new tank. Chad is over there grinding and going to weld, like I told you before, weld those in there so we can put that strap and everything in there. But I'm gonna be working on this. Hopefully I can get everything put in there, get it sealed, and then we'll go from there. So we got the new tank put in there, there's new straps on it. Went in fairly easy, not too difficult. So what we did is, I'll try to get the light on it, those bolts that go through the bracket there, I had Chad tack weld it, and then we stuck it through the frame and then put the nut and washer on the back. I'll show you guys that in a minute. But this tank is off of an 84 or something, so I mean it still fits. The only thing that's different is the filler neck size here. That's like a 1 3/4 inches, where this one is like 1 inch. So I'll just have to get a different hose and then we'll go from there. But let me crawl underneath here real quick and I'll show you guys exactly what we did from back here. So there's the nuts, as you guys can tell, how we stuck them through. And then up here in the front, same way. Trying to get a good angle so you guys can see it. But I had to patch this tank on the bottom, and then I fiberglassed it, and then we just put a truck bed coating on it after I painted it. So it should be real durable. I'm gonna crawl back out here real quick. Should be real durable. I might end up making a heat shield or a shield for the bottom of it, so it'll basically cover the bottom of the tank, so like sticks or rocks or anything won't hit it. But I'm not 100% sure yet how I'm going to do that. I'll probably just get some metal and kind of fab one up, because underneath here where this blue piece is, there's a little stud that comes out that you can put a skid plate on there. So we'll probably come up with something just to protect it, because I wanted to run the exhaust out by the cab corner here, like a 45 by the cab corner. But with that sitting right there, I don't know if that'd be a good idea if that heat would get hot and create a problem. But next step will probably be the bracket back there in the back, the flip shackle lift. We'll be doing that next probably, and that is up here in the front. I got it powder coated black, so we'll be doing that. And then we still have some front end parts we got to put on, but we're getting closer and closer to being able to fire this. I still have to patch the core support and then get it mounted in, but I have to get the bushings up here in the front, and then I got to make a patch for this side here, because it is all rusted out, as you can tell. So we'll be doing that. But hope you guys enjoyed today's video. A lot of time lapse, I know, but it's better than nothing. A little bit more content on the 79 will be coming soon, so that should be pretty exciting for you guys. But the giveaway is almost over. 32-inch light bar, 4 pods, sponsored by Oxbeam. It ends February 28th, so tomorrow. Yep, tomorrow at midnight. Hopefully I'll get this video up tonight, February 27th. Basically spend $10 on my Shopify. It's all down in the description. You get an entry. That helps me out to continue building these trucks, because it is not cheap and it can get quite expensive. I have roughly $3 grand in just the wheels and tires alone, so it's pretty expensive hobby, guys. So anything you guys do, buy off my website, helps me out. We're going to be hopefully getting some new hats, new t-shirt designs coming up. We'll probably do like a Duramax Power Stroke and Cummins hat along with a t-shirt, probably with my saying on the sleeve. But that will be a little bit, probably the next month or so, hopefully. But yeah, I hope you guys liked today's video. If you're a new viewer, smash that subscribe button. Stay tuned, guys, for more content on the 79. And remember, learning as I do, doing what I love. I'm the GMA, and I'll catch you in the next one.